Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here we're going to scroll down to System and Update, and from here select Reset Tablet, and this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like install apps, music, photos, and basically all user data. So if you have anything of that sort that you would like to maintain, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, that being said, if I select Reset Tablet, I do have the option to back it up right here, but this will be done strictly to the Huawei cloud, meaning that this backup will be absolutely useless if you also have something like a Xiaomi device, just as an example. And you will not have access to this backup on Xiaomi, which means that this backup is just redundant. Now, I am always going to advocate for storing your own data on your own computers. After all, doing a backup to the cloud, for instance Huawei Cloud, means that Huawei can use this to, well, supposedly, let's just say allegedly they don't do this, or they say that they don't, but let's be honest, no company that gathers and allows you to use some features that would normally cost them money isn't doing it out of goodness of their heart. They're doing it for some monetary reason, and the hip kid on the block right now is AI, so they're probably going to be using it to train their AI, just saying. So I personally like to have my data on my own computer by just, grabbing something like this, plugging in the damn cable and moving over the data to my own computer, the files that I want, which means that, this data cannot be used to train any kind of garbage. It's completely private because it's basically stored locally on my own machine. And furthermore, if you're outside of, or if you're somewhere like in European Union, that data has also an expiration date. So if you're doing a backup to the cloud, after I believe 2 or 3 years, if nothing is done with it, the company will need to delete it. So God forbid you ever need to access the data after that time. Well, it will no longer be there. It's just going to be removed. So they can use that to probably train their algorithms, and then you don't even have access to your backup because it's going to be gone by that time. Cool. So do the backup to your own computer, and once you have done so, you can then select Reset Tablet. Now this will probably take about 2 minutes to reset it, and once it's finished, we should be presented with the setup screen. So I'm going to let it run through and come back once it's finished. Now disregard the camera losing focus, and also prepare yourself for ear-piercing sound of the device booting up. So you might want to plug your ears, lower the volume or something like that. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.